Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can launch your store on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my home page, and here you can see my setup guide. Now, I've completed 5 out of the 11 steps, but pretty much all you need to do to launch your store is just one of them, and that is to get a domain so that you can disable your password. Now, you can add products, or rather you should add products, and you should follow this setup guide. It is very useful, but I'm going to skip over it and just go to the final step just to show you guys how this is done. Now, I myself don't have any paid for domain, so I can't really use it, but it is what it is. I'll just show you guys how you can do that anyway. Now, to launch your online store, you can place test orders to test if everything is working correctly, and if it is, then you can go and remove your store password. You can just click here on remove password, and that's going to take us to the password settings. It is under online store and under preferences, and as you can see near the bottom you have the password over here, which I'm going to rename to test just like that, and then you can save it. Now you can also disable the password by unchecking restrict access to visitors with the password, which does require you to pick a plan and to actually use a domain. If you don't have one, you won't be able to use it, but once you do, you just need to disable this over here, and then you can share your link with other people, and they can then access your store and begin purchasing or interacting with your store in any way, shape, or form. And that is basically it. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys, but I don't have the money to afford a plan at the moment. Neither do I need it, really. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.